play button to start. Choose your name to get started. If you don't see your name, tap on a puppy tag to add it. Hi, it's me, Molly. And it's time for Bubble Puppy! Yeah! We're having a fantastic playdate with Bubble Puppy today. And you get to play too! If you swipe around the classroom, you can feed him, dress him, and lots more. Bubble Puppy loves playing dress up. Look at all the things he can wear. Just choose what you want and drag it over to Bubble Puppy. What a great look for Bubble Puppy! Bubble Puppy is hungry. Look at all the great things we have to feed him. Just drag what you want him to eat over to him. Yummy! Thanks for taking such good care of Bubble Puppy. After a day of play, Bubble Puppy can get pretty dirty. Will you help him get clean? Tap what you want to use to clean Bubble Puppy. Then, drag your finger across him to get him clean. To give Bubble Puppy a good puppy bath, just tap on the shower head. You're taking such sensational care of Bubble Puppy. Bubble Puppy is all nice and clean now. He definitely likes that. Bubble Puppy is all nice and clean now. He definitely likes that.
Hi, it's me, Gil. I love playing outside with Bubble Puppy. Wanna play with us? Just pick a game. Every time you play a game, you'll get bones for your doggy bag. To go back into the classroom, tap the door. Here, boy.
He's a good boy. He deserves some treats. But all the treats are trapped in bubbles. Tap the bubbles to get the treats Bubble Puppy wants. Tap as many of the right treat bubbles as you can before time runs out. To get bonus points, collect all the bone-shaped treats. Ready to play? Fantastic! Collect all the polka-dotted treats. All right! Great job! All right! All right! You're in it to swim it! Fantastic! You collected 51 polka-dotted treats altogether. Perfect tapping! That will make Bubble Puppy super happy. Ready for the next...
Remember to check your doggy bag to see how many bones you've earned. You can use your bones to buy toys for Bubble Puppy. Then go to Bubble Puppy's doghouse to play with those toys. Pick a game to play. Welcome to Bubble Puppy's doghouse. Look, Bubble Puppy has a toy he wants to play with. Drag it from the toy bin and give it to Bubble Puppy so you can play together. To get more toys for Bubble Puppy, check out your doggy bag. Yeah, that's what Bubble Puppy wants. Go get it. You love that toy, don't ya? Pick a game to play.
All the green treats. Bubble Puppy skip. Collect all the small treats. All right! Great job! Awesome! Great job! You collected 27 small treats altogether. Perfect tapping! That will make Bubble Puppy super happy. Ready for the next wave? Collect all the rectangle treats. Awesome! Fantastic! Awesome! collected 44 rectangle treats all together. Perfect tapping! That will make Bubble Puppy super happy. Ready for the next